So in this video I'm going to be unboxing this 12-inch line trimmer weed whacker. So let's get to it. So first we'll cut off the tape. It'd be kind of tricky not to cut off the tab that's there. Just like that. And that. Now you can go ahead and pull these out. And it should open. And there it is, and it looks like we need to do a little bit of assembling. So let's lay out all the pieces. The battery charger. Set that to the side. And looks like the main body that contains the switch and the weed whacker motor itself is right there. So it looks like those go together, and this right here is guard. It keeps it from throwing stuff back at you. So now let's assemble it. Now we're going to put on the toe guard. Slides on like this with these tabs facing up. Just like that. And this piece slides on just like that. And there's the toe guard. Now we're going to install this black shield. So put it in place, and the screws are already in these holes. So we're going to put those in. Now we're gonna go ahead and snug them up a little bit. You don't want to make them too tight since you are tightening into plastic. Now we can go ahead and unscrew this red part from the rest of the handle body. And hold the bolt down when you unscrew it. There it goes. Pull that. So if you look in here, there's a little nub right there and a groove right here. And that slides right into there. So line them up and push it on just like that. Now that's locked in. You can take the bolt, push it through, and screw on this red part a little bit. And that pushes this like that, and it'll keep it tight on there. So now I loosened it up a little bit. Fits in there great, it won't move. But if you loosen it, you can slide it up and down. And when you like it, just tighten it. And it's so this is where the connections are, and you can see there's a little cutout there. And then on the bottom under here, there's a little nub right there. And those two fit together. So I want to be careful. Slide them right together. And then screw this black thing on top of them to secure it. Just like that. And if you want to get more string on it, you can just click this button while you're pulling, and you can get more string. So now let's take the battery out of the package. And this is actually the exact same battery as our Craftsman chainsaw battery, so they'll fit together and work with each other. So go ahead and slide the battery on the charger and plug it in. Then this should turn on. And there's the light. And let's wait for it to charge. So with something like this, they really kick stuff up. So it's actually better just to have both safety glasses and a face shield. Here's the battery from our chainsaw that's fully charged. Let's go ahead and slide it in and try it. So how you activate the trigger is you have to pull this down, then pull the trigger, and here it goes. So these are the weeds we want to get rid of. So with your safety equipment on, go ahead and cut them off.